Good morning. Welcome. You are watching Because English classes. Today's topic is active and passive or voice change or the passive. Okay. This is a very fundamental class. And I want to tell you just one thing. It is for the beginners. Okay. But this is very important. Active and passive voice. What is active voice? Active voice means when some agent causes something to happen, ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ କୌଣସି କଥାକୁ ଘଟାଏ or when some agent makes something happen, କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷକୁ କରେ, this is called active voice. For example, I can say ଲୋକଟି ଗଛ କାଟୁଛି, ଲୋକଟି ଗଛ କାଟୁଛି. You see, ଲୋକଟି, it is the agent and the verb is କାଟୁଛି. So the man, ଲୋକଟି, causes the action to happen. କାଟିବା କାମଟାକୁ ସେ କରାଉଛି. So this is called active voice. This is called active voice. In contrast, what is passive voice? Passive voice means when some action is caused by some agent. ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଘଟାଯାଏ, କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ସମାପନ କରାଯାଏ, କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କରାଯାଏ, ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ passive voice. I can say ଗଛଟି କଟାଯାଏ, ଗଛଟି କଟାଯାଏ. So here no agent is there. Here the action is done by somebody. ଏଠି ଲୋକଟା ନିଜେ କରୁଛି, ଏଠି ଯୋଉ କଟାଯିବା କାମଟା କରାଯାଉଛି. ଗଛଟି ଯୋଉ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି, ଏ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟର ଯୋଉ କାଟିବା କାମଟା ଆଉ କେହି ଜଣେ କରୁଛି. This is called passive voice. Am I clear? Let's start the rules and regulations of voice change or the passive. Students, first of all, subject and object are the most two important elements which we must take into our consideration. कर्ता एवं कर्म ए दुईटा बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण, जो दुईटा को आम आम विचार को नभा. कर्ता एवं कर्म. कर्ता तो निश्चित चिन्ह हो. सब्जेक्ट इज द डुअर ऑफ द एक्शन. कामटा को जे करे. माँ पिठा करती, पिठा प्रस्तुत करती, प्रस्तुत करते किए? माँ. माँ इज द डुअर. माँ कामटा समापन करुछंती. माँ, मदर इज सब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट एमिति हम चिन्ह. Object is related to verb. Students, verb is the most important part. The most important part of a sentence. Both subject and object are related to verb. We can get object by asking simply two questions. First question, what? Second question, whom? The word that comes as answer to the question what ପ୍ରଶ୍ନର ଯେଉଁ ପଦଟି ବାକ୍ୟର ଉତ୍ତର ହେଇକି ଆସେ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ସେ ବାକ୍ୟର ଗୋଟେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଏବଂ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ. ଦେଖିବା ଯଦି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ, ହ୍ୱାଟ ପଛରେ ଉତ୍ତର ଆସୁନି, ସେତିକି ଆମର ରହିଯିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ. ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଥାଇପାରେ. Indirect object हम किस पाएगा? We can ask whom to the verb. The word that comes as answer, it is called indirect object. Object indirect. One example I am giving. Father gave me a pen. Right? Gave is the verb. Dele. किए देले? Subject. Father is the subject. Now we have to find out which one is the object in this sentence? We can ask what to the verb gave Bapa dele. कौन देले? कौन देले? Apple. Apple. This is object. कहा को देले? मोते देले. This is another object. जो what रुतरी आसे से direct object. Direct object. जो whom रासला मोते देले. This is indirect object. Am I right? So, while transforming a sentence from active to passive, active रो आमे passive को वाक्य को परिवर्तन कला बेले, there is a common general rule which I have mentioned here. एटा active अछि, प्रथम subject अछि s, v अछि, o अछि. ले passive आमे करिवा. What to do? आमे active रो जे object अछि, एटा object आमे एठी प्रथम object लिखिबा. तोर b नबा. I will tell you what is B. Verb third form हो. एवं generally by लगिबो. ये subject एठी आछि. Generally, not always. Not always by is used. One thing you have to keep in your mind that by is always not used. Generally it is used. Let us take the example. For example, father, for example, mother prepares cake. You see, किए तैयारी करती सब्जेक्ट मदर डूअर प्रिपेयर्स इज वर्ब एस आसला वी आसला बड़ गुरुत्वपूर्ण काम है हमको ऑब्जेक्ट खोजवा पड़ो ऑब्जेक्ट केंत खोज मैं एबे कहते वर्ब वाला प्रिपेयर्स या को व्हाट पचारिबो या को हुम भी पचारिबो दीटा पचारिबो उम पचारिबो व्हाट पचारे क्या बात तैयारी करते कोन ना केक दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट कहा को तैयारी करते ना सुतरां एते गुटी ऑब्जेक्ट अछि दैट इज ऑब्जेक्ट डायरेक्ट अछि वॉइस चेंज करिबो फर्स्ट हम कोन करिबो ना ऑब्जेक्ट को एक एक्टिव टा अछि सब्जेक्ट इज मदर वर्ब अछि प्रिपेयर्स ऑब्जेक्ट अछि केक आमे पासिव बुझिबा त पासिव आरंभ करो ऑब्जेक्ट रो त ऑब्जेक्ट के अछि केक केक BV3 मैं तो छाड़ी दउछि BV3 एई सेक्शन देखो मु बर्तन छाड़ी के जाउछि ऑब्जेक्ट ता एठी प्लेस सब्जेक्ट तर बाय सब्जेक्ट की अछि मदर सब्जेक्ट मदर बाय मदर राइट ये जो जगह तुम छाड़ी लिए दिस इज कॉल्ड टेंस सेंस हाउ इज इट टेंस चेंज्ड व्हाइल ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग one sentence from active to passive. I have already mentioned the rules. See, first rule, you see in present there are four aspects: simple, progressive, perfect. Perfect progressive has been, have been, VING doesn't come under the changing of a voice. Okay, so three. This is simple. This is progressive. This is perfect. This is past simple, past progressive, and past perfect. How the tense changed? If the sentence is in present simple, for example, the boys either play, this is V1, play cricket. The man collects wood, right? This is V5. If the verb either is V1 or V5 present simple, how is the tense changed? How does the tense change? You see, is or am or are plus V3. हम is के बा am के बा are नबा हम object होंगे. ये अनुजाई जहाँ थी बा हम इसमें नबानी. अब ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है देखो एठी क्रिकेट पिला माने खेलंती क्रिकेट टू आसला फॉर एग्जांपल एटा एक्टिव वॉइस हम पासिव कि नबा द बॉयज प्ले क्रिकेट बर्तन आसो कर्म क्रिकेट ए तो गोटा न पड़ जेतुरा V1 अछि ई जबर गोटे नबा क्रिकेट पे क्या होगा इज नो एरा सिंगुलरटा इज पर कोन हो क्रियाटा थार्ड हो प्लेयर थार्ड फ्रॉम के प्लेड क्रिकेट इज प्लेड बाय द बॉयज right. Second, the man collects wood. B5. This is B5. Collects. B5. Same rule. Wood is the object. First wood है गले. ये जो बीटा होती इजी. Wood is collected. Collected by the man. This is active. This is passive voice. Right. Next. If each arm are plus VING or that is called present progressive is there. You see, each arm are ing. For example, we can very simply write the children are writing essay. पिलाने एक VING. This is each arm are plus VING. This is active voice. अच्छे इटा. जब चेंज हो कि चेंज हो ना each arm आरु गोटे लगियो plus being लगियो plus V3 हो object पिलाने लेखु चंदी. This is verb phrase लेखु चंदी. This is subject. This is object. हम तो ऑब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट कैसे हो ऑब्जेक्ट ने essay एरा इजामा आइज अछि इजामा रो गोटे नबा essay ता सिंगुलर अछि इज being क्रिया तो थर्ड हवा राइट रो थर्ड को रिटर्न डबल टी रिटर्न by the children right. Next, if the sentence comes in present perfect means has have plus V3. The lady has bought a flat. Right? Has bought. Active. Has have V3. Has bought or have bought. Has bought a flat. This is object. So object comes first. A flat. You see, if has have played जदि था कौन है जे has been कि have been एडी has been कि have been हम देखिबा एको देखिबा ए फ्लैट सिंगुलर अछि तो हम has नबा has पर been नबा has been bought by the lady. Correct. This is all about present tense. Then comes past tense. Past simple means V2. You see, V2 माने, for example, we have taken the word play. Played. If played is there, was played or were played in passive voice. The man sold his property. Sold all property. सब धन संपत्ति लोकटा बिके जा. You see, this is V2. If V2 is there, when voice is changed, was played or were played. You see, all property हमरा हो जिवो ऑब्जेक्ट जे सब फर्स्ट क्लास पे ठीक all property V2 अछि के लागिवो was न where लागिवो एटा सिंगुलर अछि सिंगुलर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन all property was sold by the man. Then let us come to perfect. Hard played, perfect, hard been played. The boys had won the match. Use hard on. Hard on is hard been. This is object. Let us take object to first. The match. The match was the match had been won by the boys. By the boys. Right? Then comes regard modal verbs. Modal auxiliary. You know modal auxiliary? Can, could, may, might, must, need. You see, this is modal. Modal V1. When the sentence changes from active to passive, the same modal plus B plus V3. B plus V3. So can do. If can do is there, it can be modal can in passive. Can plus B V3. Do is member, can be done. Could be done. May be done. Might be done. Must be done. Need be done. Right? Let us take certain examples in modal auxiliaries. You must do it. You must do it. They may finish it. They may finish it. She needed take medicine. She needed take medicine. You see. Subject, modal, main verb. It is object. ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା କେମିତି କରିବା ପାସିଭ କି ପ୍ରଥମେ ଇଟ୍ ନେବା ଇଟ୍ ନେଇଗଲେ ଇଟ୍ ନେଇଗଲେ ସେଇ ମୋଡାଲ ଯୋଉଟା ମୋଡାଲ ଅଛି ମୋଡାଲ ମଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଇଟ୍ କି ଇଟ୍ ନେଇଗଲେ ମଷ୍ଟ ନେବା ମଷ୍ଟ ପରେ କାହାକୁ ଲଗେଇବା ମଷ୍ଟ ପରେ କାହାକୁ ଲଗେଇବା ବି ଲଗେଇବା ଏଠି ବି ମଷ୍ଟ ବି V3 यार V क्या है do ର थर्ड फॉर्म के done it must be done by you correct दे ଆମେ finish it ସେଇ କର୍ମ ଇଟ୍ ଅଛି it must be finished by them she need take medicine need take verb phrase modal main verb medicine object medicine must is a modal must be taken by her right thank you students this is this class is for the beginners and in the second part we'll discuss the voice change in advanced forms thank you if you like this class please have a like and subscribe thank you